Hello guys, welcome to our new video. Today I will show you how to check your mobile's version and RAM. First, go to your phone's settings. Scroll down and tap on the About Phone or System option. Under About Phone, you will see the Android version or software version of your mobile phones. To check the RAM, look for the Memory or Hardware Information section in the same menu. That's it. You can now see your phone's version and RAM details. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like and share the video. Thank you for watching!